Okay, so our next step is we're going to make a heat insulator for our valley pan. And I'm going to use some under matting for laminate floor. I think it's going to work, and I'll be an example if it does. So this one's fairly easy. Well, first, let's go back to the engine. You see this is an ICT billet valley pan, and it has countersunk bolts, so that's going to make this a lot easier. So I made one for this LS3 valley pan, but you can see how I had to go around all the bolts. So it did make it a little bit difficult. So I have this Gen 3 plate here. And on the Gen 3 plate, you can see we already got our cutouts, and I have already sharpied it out. I just put a fresh blade and our razor tool here. And now I'm just going to go and cut this out. I am going to do it double layered. Just as thick as possible. I think that'll work. And yeah, so yeah, let me cut this out now. What a beautiful thing. Very effortless with a good blade. So highly recommend that. When I did the LS3 one, I did not have a good blade. So yeah, so let's go put it on the engine. Okay, so let's see how this goes. It should be like this. Yep. That is what we're going for. So I'm going to clean the valley pan or plate, and I'm going to put a couple of dabs of RTV and just to kind of hold it in place, because we're going to use spacers for the cathedral port to rectangle port, because these heads are cathedral, that intake's rectangle port, and so this might allow it to flap a little bit. So, but yeah, pretty happy with that. So the next step, let's do some RTV and cleaning. Okay, just a little dab of RTV, nothing crazy. Let's get our Pergo on everything. I'll put this somewhere. I got RTV on my finger, and I don't want to clean it yet, because I'm going to put some right here now, like a little book. So I'm going to do the same thing, just put it in some random spots, so just kind of hold it closed. I tried spray adhesive, and that actually reacted with that material and pretty much made it a piece of tinfoil. So yeah, let me use my other finger and get some RTV to close. Same thing, a little bit more, put a little bit more on that one, because I really don't care to ever peel it back up. I'll probably have to peel this back up in the future, especially when the new engine comes in. But you can see it wants to still lift up, so we're probably gonna have to put some something heavy on it. We'll see. Let me keep on moving though. Okay, to wrap up this video, I've been horrible about not doing outros, and I wanted to do a legit outro on this poor man's heat shield. And I'm trying to get y'all some light. You can see under that red nipple, that is the heat shield that I fabricated in this video. Can y'all see it? And kind of the hard to see is what I'm trying to sell of. Just because you're using this Home Depot heat shield, you shouldn't have to be embarrassed about it.